Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a summary in English class. First, begin by reading the original text thoroughly, perhaps 2 or 3 times, to fully understand its core message. As you read, actively identify the main idea of each paragraph and note down any crucial supporting details. Highlighting key sentences or important vocabulary can be very helpful. This initial step ensures you grasp the author's purpose and central argument before writing. Now, it is time to draft your summary. Begin by writing a first draft using only your own words. Avoid copying any phrases directly from the original text. Focus on presenting the main ideas logically and concisely, ensuring a smooth flow between sentences. A good summary is typically about 1/4 to 1/3 the length of the original passage. Remember to include all essential information, but omit minor details, examples, and your personal opinions. Another excellent cloud gaming platform is Boosteroid, which also brings a wide array of PC games to your Chromebook. You can easily install Boosteroid as an Android application from the Google Play Store or use its progressive web app. This service allows you to play hundreds of popular titles without needing to download or install them locally, saving valuable storage space. For optimal performance, Boosteroid recommends an internet connection of at least 15 megabits per second, ensuring smooth gameplay. To truly master summary writing, remember a few key tips. First, always avoid introducing any new ideas or personal opinions. Your summary should strictly reflect the original author's perspective. Maintain an objective tone throughout your writing. Regular practice with various types of texts, from articles to short stories, will significantly improve your skills over time. Finally, always ensure you cite the original source if your instructor requires it, giving proper credit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.